Are you getting annoyed by the Ime Library DLL causing your system integrity to fail? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's resync your file architecture right now. Before we begin the walkthrough for Ime Library, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the Ime Library, the Input Method Editor, Ime Core Library. It manages the localized unmanaged conversion of localized keystrokes into localized complex characters, CJK, mandatory for localized international text input. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. If your software is failing because of Ime Library DLL, the internal file mapping for Localized Input Method Editor, IME, logic is likely corrupted, so reinstalling the current version of your program showing the error will re-register the library and fix the error. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Ime Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Replacing Ime Library without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. To review professional system maintenance concepts, the diagnostic kit below includes Ime Library documentation. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Ime Library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.